Hey guys, and welcome back. If you're active on multiple platforms, you've probably wanted to share content from one thread to another, whether it's a tweet, Reddit post, or something from an online forum. Today I'm going to show you how to share thread content across different platforms and make sure it reaches more people. Let's dive in. First of all, you can use direct links for easy sharing. You can go ahead right here and next to that repost, you can see share. You can share it to your story or copy the link to share it across other platforms. You can see Threads offered you many platforms that you can share for. WhatsApp, you can share from. Share to WhatsApp or Reel as a Reel or messages or even Instagram post, right? But you can copy the link simply if you want to share it to other platforms. You can go back and let's say for example I'm using X, so I'm gonna go ahead and share the point. Let's have an example on this reply, okay? And I'm gonna share this thread as an important reply that's relevant, of course, to the post. All right. So as you can see right here, you will see your response added, right here, and they will have access to the post on Threads. All right. Capture snippets or highlights. If you want to give your audience a preview before they click the link, you could try capturing the post, right? Let's have an example, this post. I'm gonna capture it and then I'm gonna hit done. And then I can go ahead to my platform, which is X for that matter. Click the plus button at the bottom right, add the capture, right? And then right here, paste the link if you want them to see the full post, right? Okay. And leverage hashtags and mentions. Hashtags and mentions can help your content get discovered. If you're sharing a thread on Instagram, Twitter, or at TikTok, do not forget to add relevant hashtags. For instance, click the plus button right here, and I'm gonna paste the link that I just copied from my post or someone else's post, and then add hashtags, right? Adding hashtags can help you reach to more people, more audience, okay? And that's it, folks. Sharing thread content across platforms is all about making it easy for your audience to access, customizing it for the platform, and encouraging interaction. Next time you find a thread next time you find a thread you think your followers would love, try these tips to get in front of as many people as possible. Do not forget to drop comment below with any other tips you use for sharing threads, and I will catch you in the next video.